Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Also, welcome to my very empty closet. We're still in the process of finishing it, but this is about to be our glam room. It's about to be our closet room. We are vlogging today. I wanted to film this video kind of vlog style while also giving you guys like all the tips and tricks that you have been asking for of what really transformed my mental and physical health, and what were the little things that I did that, like, after struggling for years with not achieving the fitness results that I wanted, I finally was able to do in what I believe to be a very low effort way. And these are really simple switches. These are really little things that are like more of a mindset shift, to be honest. So first things first, as you guys can see, we're about to head to the gym. And the first thing that has been really transforming how I feel about going to the gym is pulling myself together. Getting a little cute, putting on, like, I put on mascara, put on a little bit of a cream blush, tiny bit of concealer, cute headband, nice workout set. I sprayed perfume. Today's perfume is Afternoon Delight from Replica. It's just like very vanilla-y, but not like overly sweet. Oh, I love it. It's got like a little bit of campfire, but also vanilla. I don't know, it's really good. So then I have this really cute ass set from Set Active, this little cardigan I got a million years ago at Fashion Nova. And yeah, my little headband is from Amazon. I got my jewelry on. Yes, I wear jewelry to the gym. I don't care. I have these cute little hoop earrings that say Nikki on them. Like, I just feel cuter like this. I always bring a claw clip for like if I get sweaty, but even just walking into the gym like this, doing my little treadmill and all that jazz, and feeling like that girl, applying a little self-tan for the week so I can like feel put together and just feel cute. Oh my gosh, it makes such a difference, and it actually makes me want to go to the gym because I'm excited to put on a cute outfit and like really get going. Once I get this closet going, you guys, it's gonna be so much more fun getting dressed every single day. But yeah, that's tip number one. Pull yourself together. Like, even if it's just wearing a matching set or spraying a spritz of body splash or perfume, putting on a little bit of like a shimmery lip balm, doesn't even have to be gloss. You don't have to wear makeup to the gym. You don't have to wear perfume. Like, you can do less than I'm doing, but I just think this really helps you mentally. I'm about to make a little breakfast and take my dog for a walk, and then we're gonna head out to the gym. I'm just sitting down to have my breakfast. We have an English muffin with a little bit of butter, cinnamon, and honey. And I wanted to talk to you guys about another thing that I love to do is have a really bomb playlist for the car ride there, and like just to set the vibe for your whole workout. I'm making a new one. It's gonna be giving like 2016, The Weeknd, Drake, like that type of, I feel like that music always gets me in the mood for a really good workout and to like just feel like that girl. But a playlist is key, and a good breakfast. Drink your water and hair supplements every day. After breakfast only. I only take them with food. Also guys, my little Target fur coat. This is like, I don't consider this a fur coat. I consider this like a throwover jacket. Obviously it's faux fur, but it's just something like, I consider this to be casual. To me, this is casual. That's where we're at this point, where I'm like, it's my Target fur coat. Like, I'm gonna wear it to the gym. You know what I mean? I'm getting my nails done after. I'm gonna wear it to my nail appointment. It's so comfy. It just feels like a bathrobe. But this is the fit. And I'm gonna wear Uggs and bring my workout shoes, like my sneakers, with me. Is this even focused on my face? Rue, is this fucking Play About Us? Like, hello? Okay guys, we just got to the gym, and the next tip I want to share with you guys before we head in is that I feel like if you guys have followed me on my other social platforms, one of the biggest things that I have changed recently is that I'm not always going to the gym. I don't stick to a standard workout split. I'm not always forcing myself to do specific workouts. I don't do a specific kind of cardio over another. Like, I do what my body wants me to do. I know this might be a hot take and controversial because some people need a routine, some people, and don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean I don't have a routine. This just means I enjoy moving my body basically every day, or in a way that I can, but I also listen to my body and listen to what I want to do for a workout. This has single-handedly changed the way that I view working out. It's no longer like I have to go to the gym. It's more of like an I get to, and it has made me actually really excited to do my workouts. Like, when I have a solid core class planned, or a hot yoga class planned, or I'm actually going to the real, like, legitimate gym, and I'm just walking on the treadmill doing the sauna, or I'm doing a weightlifting workout and I'm actually like feeling really strong, and these are things that I want to do that day, like I will ask myself, what do you want to do today? What do you want to plan for the week? And if that day I don't necessarily want to do that and I'm thinking like, oh, I actually would rather, like I'd prefer doing this, you know, that is what I'll do. It's just kind of whatever fits in with my schedule as well. Like if I have a lot of work or things to do in the morning, then I'll work out in the afternoon, and maybe I'll just do an at-home workout. Maybe I'll do like 40 minutes on my treadmill or a little at-home like booty circuit or something like that. And that is what feels good to me. It has made exercising fun. I don't feel like I'm forcing anything. I don't feel like I'm miserable going to the gym. My body's not constantly exhausted. I have an appropriate amount of rest and time to recover. And even if I feel like still being active, but I'm really sore, I'm not forcing myself to go do another hard workout. Like I might just walk on the treadmill and sit in the sauna and do a nice stretch, and that will be enough for me. At least I'm still like moving my body, but I'm not like over exhausting myself in the gym, because that is how you burn out. Like you are never going to be able to sustain absolutely ruining your life every single day in the gym. Like you are gonna hate it. It's gonna make you hate the gym. And just changing this has really changed my mindset around workouts, my mindset around the gym. It is such a huge game changer. If you change your mindset around going to the gym and how you view your workouts, and I urge you genuinely to just listen to your body when it comes to workouts, try out new things, see what you actually want to do. If you have that luxury, this doesn't mean you have to take a bunch of different classes. This can just mean like maybe you want to do something low impact, maybe the next day you want to do something with weights, maybe one day you want to do elliptical, maybe one day you want to do Stairmaster. Like switch it up, let yourself do what you want to do like an at-home Pilates workout, and I promise you this mindset will really change the way that you view working out, instead of forcing yourself to do something that you don't want to do. Okay guys, we just got to Dunkin'. I ordered myself a little coffee, a breakfast sandwich, and some hash browns. I'm not like that hungry, but I was like, well, I may as well just have it because I know I had to go get gas, then I'm going to get out cash so that way I can go to the nail salon. Then we're gonna get our nails done. We have to go to the grocery store. I have to get a car wash. Like I am probably not gonna be home for another 3 hours, maybe 4. And all I ate today was the English muffin. So better safe than sorry. This is something that I always have found nowadays, is like fueling your body. You don't want to get to the point where you're hangry, and like allow yourself to have your cravings. Like I'm having a sausage, egg and cheese, and another English muffin. I'm obsessed with English muffins lately. Got myself some hash browns, got the coffee that I want. Like I don't have to eat it all, I don't have to finish it, but if I'm hungry enough, then I absolutely will. I just had a nice leg day workout, and is it the most healthy thing in the world? No, but I could just get one little protein shake, and then guess what? In 30 minutes, I'm gonna be starving again. I'm gonna be sitting at the nail salon miserable, and then probably have to like go get food on the way home. So may as well do it now since I have some time to kill. We have an hour until my nail appointment. So I'm gonna go in, grab my coffee. Coffee order, we got butter pecan and coconut and skim milk. So good. I love that Dunkin'. They're always so kind to me in there. And then we got a little sandwich and some hash browns. Yum. I'm actually pretty hungry now. But one thing, if you guys noticed, that I finished my workout off with, and normally I had to move that because I was like focusing on my steering wheel. It's pissing me off. Not everyone is going to agree with me, but this is what works for me and for my body. I saw so many people saying you need to do cardio last because you want to do your weights first and then do your cardio afters to prioritize energy for weights, blah, 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 which I think is true if you're trying to put on muscle. For me, I'm just trying to slim down and feel healthy, but also, you know, have a decent amount. Like I obviously want to have muscle, I want to feel strong, but that's not my biggest priority. Like I'm not trying to like build shape as much as like if someone was maybe more petite or they had like certain like whatever, they wanted a certain figure. That's not really my goal. My goal is more to like feel comfortable in my clothing. You know what I mean? Feel confident in my clothing. Like I'm not trying to have the most voluptuous butt in the world because I know that's just not going to happen for me. So basically for me and my goals, prioritizing my steps above everything. Like if I have a choice of doing like a strength workout or going on the treadmill and I only have time for one, I'm gonna choose treadmill. I'm gonna choose steps every time. And again, like I know a lot of people are not gonna agree with me, and that's fine. If that works for you and your goals and you're achieving results that way, that's fine. For me though, personally, steps is king over everything. Like besides sleep, obviously. In terms of workouts, like steps are so important, and that is something that once I started prioritizing getting my 10,000 steps every single day and making sure that I'm just overall a more active person, I feel like I achieved my fitness goals effortlessly. Like I was able to even see results and do like little workouts and small strength training sessions, or do like solid core once a week, and I was already seeing results because I was kind of leaning myself out by doing the steps. It just makes so much sense once you start, and once you really get in a groove. I'm telling you, that is the easiest, fastest way. I like scroll on Pinterest, on TikTok, I do my emails, like I'm on that treadmill for as long as until I'm like not bored, or if I have whatever, a time constraint, obviously I'm getting off. But getting your steps, I'm genuinely telling you, is going to be the best way if you want to, you know, lean out for summer, whatever, you want to see your abs, blah, blah, blah. That is going to be the way you're going to do it. I'm sorry. It is. It is. I genuinely enjoy it so much. I'll watch YouTube videos on my TV and walk on my walking pad. I love to walk outside when it's nice out. Like walking is just, I will scream it from the freaking rooftops. It's the best. It's the best, especially if you have muscle memory, especially if you've already built muscle. Like some of us ladies who have been working out in the gym for years, like I've been in the gym lifting weights since I was in high school. If you walk on top of that and keep up with a couple strength training workouts a week, you're gonna see results like crazy. I promise you. It's gonna look like you're in the gym, like doing abs, you know what I mean? And like you don't really need to be. Hey y'all, it is the next day. I'm actually here. Look at my boy. We just got this little guy a pup cup, and we got me a little coffee. We're in here filming some like advice, like short form content, right buddy? Because my husband is like on a big work call at the house, so I didn't want to bother him in case like the mailman comes or something. This little stinker goes absolutely crazy, but I didn't end up picking up the vlog last night, but I wanted to kind of wrap up the video. I didn't do too much last night. When I got back, I like oiled my hair, made dinner, cleaned the house, like took a full everything shower, like, you know, the whole whatever. Today I went to bar class. My final tip that I will leave you guys with is something that may contradict what I said yesterday about listening to my body and not pushing myself to do workouts I don't want to do. Today I was in a funk. If you can tell, it's very gloomy outside. It was kind of like drizzling out. Like it was just gross, okay? And I was not feeling myself. I was not, whatever. I just felt tired, okay? And I'm like about to get my period, blah, blah, blah. I had this bar class booked. I was doing it with a friend. Now, normally, if it was just me or if it was like a workout at the gym, I would have skipped. But booking in a class means if you cancel like within 12 hours of the class, you not only lose your credits, you get charged a late fee, or a cancellation fee, I mean. So this is a good way to kind of motivate yourself to actually go, one, and two, booking with a friend. So like you're meeting somebody, so you don't want to stand up your friend because you had plans to do this workout class together. So this is a really great way to keep yourself accountable. At the same time, if I were just going off listening to my body, it's not even my body, it's more my mind. My body's fine. It's really just like mentally, I just was in a funk. And I knew these are the times when it's not like, oh, my body's sore, my body's physically tired. Like I've had a really relaxed week. So like, I know I'm good. I've been sleeping 8.5 hours every night, like drinking my water, eating good, like everything's been good. You know what I mean? So I was like, listen, it's a bar class. It's basically like lightweight, light resistance. You know, you can take it as much as you want and like do as much or as little as you want. You know what I mean? You're in control of your own body. Just go to the class. You're gonna feel better after. And sure enough, I felt so much better after I took the class. I came home, I got ready, I showered, I filmed some videos, like some content. Took this little guy for a walk. Now we're out like going for a little drive together, and I just genuinely do feel so much better. So sometimes, as much as I want to say, yes, listen to your body, and like I do still stand by what I said yesterday in terms of like I like to move my body basically every day. Sometimes I give myself a full, genuine rest day where I actually just rest and have no intentional movement, but I try to get some form of movement, even if it's just a walk every single day, and I will listen to my body with that. But for occasions like this where like I actually didn't want to do crap, like I didn't want to walk, I didn't want to go to the gym, I didn't want to do anything, I'm like, you booked this workout class, you're healthy, you're able-bodied, like, you know, we're so grateful we're even able to go to workout classes like this. Like, this is such an awesome thing that I'm able to do, a luxury that I'm able to afford, and you're gonna go and you're gonna feel better. And so these are the times when it is okay to push yourself a little bit and just motivate yourself. Even when you have no motivation, this is where that little bit of discipline kicks in and you're like, okay, well, I'm gonna move my body, I'm gonna feel better. It's just 50 minutes, and when you're done, you don't have to do anything else, you know, like you can work off your computer, sit your ass on the couch, blah, blah, blah. But sure enough, once I did that class, this truck is like real close to me. Once I did that class, I was already motivated to like keep organizing and shower and get all ready. And Dinky, that man just looked me directly in the eyes as I'm filming a YouTube video. He's probably like, you're a friggin' weirdo. Yeah, that's kind of my little 2 cents on motivation, because motivation, look at this camera focusing on my dog. Motivation is bullshit. And at the end of the day, the day's gotta end and you gotta move your body. It's just science, you know what I mean? If you wanna be healthy, if you wanna see fitness results, if you wanna lose weight, gain muscle, yada yada, you're gonna need to move your body in some way. I did my bar class and now I'm like, I'm excited. My husband has his baseball league, or not his baseball league, his bowling league tonight. And I'm gonna get my steps in. If I don't hit my 10,000 steps by then, I'm gonna make dinner, have me a little glass of wine, and I am gonna get on that freaking little walking pad, put on Sex in the City, and get my steps in on top of it, because I feel great now. I'm happy. I got me a coffee. I had a little meal. I'm happy. So that's that on that. I love you guys. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you like the style that I was doing before, where it was more like sit down tips, or this kind of vlog style follow me around where I give you my tips, but in a more like organic way as we're doing things, as we're going through the motions of life. Let me know. I can do both. But I love you guys. Give me some more video recommendations, anything you want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Say bye, Dinky. Bye, Dinky. I love this boy. I love this boy.